Hello friends, spring is in the air. It is time for backyard grilling. Today, I will show you how to make Christina's world famous salsa, meat marinade and salad dressing. This tangy, citrusy, 3-in-1 wonder is so easy and yet never fails to impress.
We start with a teaspoon of thyme, salt and pepper to taste. I like to use whole pepper in my meat marination preparations. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, a tablespoon of finely chopped onions, a teaspoon of honey. This honey is from my village. You can use any honey that's available, and a teaspoon of harissa sauce. It's a hot sauce from Middle East. I'm in love with it. You can use, if it's not available, you can use a teaspoon of any hot sauce that you prefer. Add 2 big cloves of garlic. All of this will go into my mortar and pestle. Wow, it smells heavenly. My next ingredients, I'm going to zest an orange. I prefer the orange zest to the lemon zest. I find the orange, the smell is more milder and it complements better with my other ingredients. But if you prefer to use the zest of the lemon, go right ahead. Here I have the zest of 1 orange. Orange. I'm going to take the juice of an orange. In goes juice of a lemon. Okay, let's just do a little bit of pounding. This heavenly mixture is ready. Wow, 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 wow. And this goes in here to my orange and lemon juice mixture. The last ingredient going in is finely chopped tomatoes. Stir and a taste. It's good. I think it needs a little more salt because I'm going to put it on meat, so it needs to be salty. I'll put a few tablespoons of olive oil into this so that This salsa can stay in your refrigerator. You can bottle it and keep it for a week or two and it doesn't go bad at all. Let's give it a good stir here. Wow. Wow. Is it good or what? I'm ready now to grill my meat and drizzle this beautiful creation on top of the grilled meat. Cut a few lettuce leaves, throw in a couple of cucumbers and drizzle this on top of it. Grill a piece of bread and that's heaven. The versatile dressing, marinade or salsa that I made goes so well with grilled meat and then goes very well as a salad dressing. In fact, you can put it in a little bowl and dip your chips in it and use it as a dip for your chips as well. It's very versatile, very easy and yummy.